Hi. Many of you have asked me how to upload, a large number of accounts into the account list so that we can exclude or include that account list, while trying to find the target audience. So first, go to log into LinkedIn Sales Navigator. That's where you have to create the account list. Click on the account list here, like this one. And then there are two ways you can do the account list. Either upload the account from a CSV file, an Excel file or a CSV file, or you can manually add accounts. Most of our clients will not have the ability to upload the accounts from a CSV because they will not have an enterprise account with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You can only add manually, so you can click manually, and then you can say my clients, let's say existing accounts, because you want to, or you can say my client's target account, right? Whatever is a thing, right? So existing accounts you want to exclude, and target accounts you want to include, right? You can also write something like my clients competitors, so that you can always exclude them from that thing. So now that you have created my clients target accounts, click on that. Now you can do it in many ways. So you can search for accounts that you want to exclude. Like for example, you can say, let's say Tesla, I want to, let's say exclude those accounts, so just Tesla. Now here you can go and say add to a list, and then where was the list that I created my client's target account, so I've clicked on it and saved it. Now if you go back, you will be able to see the Tesla inside this account. So all you have to do is just keep searching for accounts. Say for example you want to include Walt Disney, Walt Disney company. Click on it. You can say list, right click, add to another list, come down, my clients target accounts. So you're able to now add this, right? So go back, Walt Disney should be added with Tesla. So if you come to the account list, if you'll see my clients target, there are 2 accounts. Just keep on adding this manually until you have, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40 accounts that your client wants to target, right? Now let me also show you how to do this automatically, right? So upload accounts from CSV. It is going to ask you, okay, make sure you have a file that is a CSV. Don't have more than 1000 line items because it will not upload. The minimum required field is account name. Okay, so continue. Now you need to browse for your thing, and then take it. So I have got a bunch of things. Let me just quickly pick up something that might there. So for example, this university list I've got. So let me click on this one. So map the thing. So it has a thing called institution name, which is the account name. Continue. I'll call it university 11, and then finish. So what it will do, it is just now uploading all the universities in my thing into this account. It will take a few seconds, and then after that it will say 100% complete. So once this is, so look, you can already see 26% complete. So once it is complete, you should be able to click on this, just like how you did here. And then all the universities will appear here as a set of accounts. I hope that is clear. So where do you use this? You use this when you're trying to, so for example you're trying to search for something, let's say so there you can use these custom lists. So for example, we just uploaded the university, so I can go pick up the university list here, uni list 1, and then this will give me all the universities in that particular thing. And let's say I want to only talk to the CXOs in the universities in the IT sector, right? So I can select that, and I'm now able to only talk to the CXOs in IT within these universities, which is only 1500 people. Now there is also another thing you can do. This is, let's say if this is a list of your target accounts, you will include it. If let's say this is a list of your competitor, you want to exclude it. So how do you do that? Just say exclude. So when you press this button, it now becomes red, and now it gives you everybody outside this list. So you'll never send a connection request to your competitors, right? I hope this answer your question. Let me quickly come back and show you. So I created manually these 2 accounts. I created this automatically. You see there are 664 accounts that has been populated based on my upload I just now did, right? So you can see all the 664. Now you can include this or exclude this based on what you're trying to do. Hope that is clear now. Okay, bye-bye.